Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. If you want to record credit card payments correctly in QuickBooks Online, it's important to understand what you're actually recording. A credit card payment in accounting terms means you are paying down a credit card liability, not recording a purchase and not recording customer revenue. First, log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Before recording the payment, confirm that your credit card account is already set up in your chart of accounts as a liability account. Now, to record the payment, click the Create button at the top left of your screen. Under the Others column, select Pay Down Credit Card. This is the correct option for recording payments made toward your credit card balance. Do not use expense and do not use credit card credit. Those are for different purposes. Once inside the Pay Down Credit Card window, select the credit card account you are paying. Since we didn't create an account for that, we'll be creating that now. Next, choose the payee. Now enter the amount you paid toward the credit card. Then enter the payment date. This should match the date the payment cleared your bank. Next, choose the bank account from which the payment is being made. This is typically your checking account. Again, we're going to create one since we didn't record it in Chart of Accounts. You'll also see an option to choose the category or memo if needed, but in most cases, no expense category is required because you are simply transferring funds from your bank account to reduce the credit card liability. Click Save and Close. Now, what just happened behind the scenes? QuickBooks reduced your checking account balance and reduced your credit card liability balance at the same time. This is correct double entry accounting. By using the Pay Down Credit Card feature, selecting the correct accounts, and properly matching transactions in your bank feed, you ensure your liabilities decrease correctly and your financial reports remain accurate. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again.